What's up everyone, Lee here from Tech Leveler, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use modifiers in Bambu Studio. If you want to change the print settings for just one specific section of your model rather than the whole thing, this is the feature you need to know about. Let's get into it. First up, open up Bambu Studio. For this demo I'm going to use a basic cylinder. You can load in any model you like, but I want to keep things simple so the concept is crystal clear. Once it's in, I'll scale it up to around 300%. That's a little too big, so I'll put that down a little. So we've got something easy to work with on screen. With your model selected, right click on it. You'll see an option that says Add Modifier. Click that and choose a shape. I'm going with a cube here. Bambu Studio will then prompt you to switch to a per object settings mode, and that's exactly what we want because this lets us control each object in the scene independently. Head over to the left hand panel here. By default it'll be showing global settings. Click on objects instead, and now you can see both your main model and the modifier listed separately. Click on the modifier, that's the cube, to select it and start editing. Now we need to place the modifier so it covers the section of the model we actually want to change. You can drag it up and down to position it and adjust the dimensions. So for example, I might set the length to around 40 and the height to maybe 80. Play around with these values depending on which part of your specific model you're targeting. Here's where the magic happens. Make sure the modifier is highlighted in the object list. Then look at the settings panel. You'll see all the usual tabs, quality, strength and so on, and any changes you make here will apply to the area covered by the modifier, not the rest of the print. So let's say I want the section to have more wall loops, for instance. I can crank that up independently. The rest of the model stays exactly as it is. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Slice Plate. Switch to Slice View and you'll see the difference in the modified region compared to the rest of the model. Different wall counts, infills, whatever you changed. If you need to go back and tweak things, just hit the Prepare tab in the top left and return to the editor. And that's it. That's how you use the modifiers in Bambu Studio to fine-tune print settings for specific sections of your model. It's a really powerful feature once you get comfortable with it. Drop any comments in the comments section below. I always try to get back to everyone. If that helps you out, a subscribe goes a long way, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.